Hello, how are you today? Okay, nice to meet you. We meet me again. Okay, I want to do one dancing. This is line dance or mesin waktu. Okay, this is especially for anniversary for this. Okay, mesin waktu is 32 count. Forward and then one change step and one take it across and second take fourth across. Alright? Okay, let's go. This is section 1. Section 1, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, repeat. And then 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Section 2, walk, wait, cross. Wait, walk. Okay. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9. Okay. Repeat section 2. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and section 3. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and repeat section 3. 8 and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and next, last section 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat section 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. On the top, section 1, section 2, 3, and 4. Okay. This time, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. This is the step on row 2 after 16 count. Okay. Row 2 and then 1, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3. Change step 4, and 5, 6. Restart. Okay. Change step. Cross recovery. Cross recovery. Okay. I'm sorry. And then take 1 acorn after row 3. This is after change step. Then row 3. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Take 8 acorn, anchor, and before turn right twice. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Restart. It is wall 4. After wall 4, and then second take then 4 count and go for 1 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. This is second take. 4 count backward. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and this is MESIN 6. Alright, got it? I hope you like this dance. This is MESIN WAKTU and don't forget, and I'm really happy. This is anniversary to 4 years. Okay? Okay everyone, like your heart, enjoy your heart this dancing. Okay? Ciao!